Okay, this is going to be a quick guide video on how to get position for the MONAD, the long anticipated MONAD testnet, which is starting on the 19th, right? Depending on when you'll be watching this video, but you need to do what we are supposed to do. And you can actually use your mobile phone or your PC. But I want to let you know that there are certain features or quests that cannot be completed on the PC or laptop, right? So you need to use the app to complete some of those quests, okay? The HAHA wallet is a wallet owned, an EVM compatible wallet owned by the MONAD ecosystem. And I believe the testnet is going to be taking place in that wallet, right? It has extensions, right, that you can use your PC or your Mrs. browser. But at the same time, it also has an app that can download from the app Play Store. That is your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, right? But then I would encourage you, even if you are going to be using your mobile phone, right, you can import, you can either create the wallet on the web using your Mrs. browser and then import it into the app, or create in the app and then import it into the extension on the Mrs. browser, right? So whichever one you want to do is up to you, but if you can, make do with the app is also fine. But I'm going to show you the two ways, right? So I don't need to make further introduction about the MONAD. We can make findings. If you are not aware of the MONAD anticipated testnet, then I don't know where you are. So all you need to do, you can see it has an extension, right? The wallet extension. So if you want to get the wallet extension, it's just for you to copy the link to the extension, right? Then you head over to your Mrs. browser. Let's start with that one first, right? We're just going to do it, but we're not going to create the wallet there. So you press it and then search, and then you are going to see add to Chrome. You're going to see add to Chrome. Now, if you're using PC, it's still the same steps. You just copy and paste on your browser. You just click on the link. Then you can see, you just add to Chrome. You click on add to Chrome, and then is then added to your Chrome as an extension on your Mrs. browser. Now, if it is on PC, I've also made a video using PC, but due to the limitations, I don't know if I'm going to upload it. But if you want me to upload it, maybe I'm using PC, you can let me know in the comment section. You can see it's been added, right, to my extension. Then I'm automatically logged in, and then I can create the wallet here. I'll just click on get started, and if I have the wallet already, HAHA wallet already, I'll just click on I have an account. You log into it, assuming I created with the app. So what I'm going to do now is that we're going to continue with the app. Now, if I can as well create it and then import the seed phrase into the app. But since most of the features that we can perform with PC are done on the app, then we'll just continue with the app. So to continue with the app, you just have to click on the link that will come with this video, okay, and you'll be led to your Play Store straight up, and you are going to download the app and still continue the same process. You're going to be registering with your email. Okay, it doesn't require KYC. It's just your email, your name, which is optional, your referral code to actually accumulate more camera, right? Because it's likely going to be using the camera for the testnet. Okay, so that's what we want to do now, because the testnet is starting on the 19th, and then you just click on install. You can see it has over 100,000 downloads already. So just click on install, you click on open, right, and the app will open, and you continue with the process. You can see it's still the same thing that is giving us here. So I can actually continue here now, and then later import the app into the same HAHA wallet. Import this wallet, the seed phrase, into the same HAHA wallet on the Mrs. browser, right? If I want to, just in case there are some operations or some tasks that need the web version to complete. So I will have it on both the app, the same wallet on both the app and on the web, right? So I will click on get started. Then you input the email you want to use, and then choose a password, and you click here to input the referral code. Please, you need the referral code so that you have more camera, right? More camera points that you'll be using for the testnet. So you are going to input the referral code that will come with this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now before I'll hit on continue. So you input all the needed details, including the referral code, before you hit continue. Then get the code that was sent to your email, input it and hit verify, put your name, and that's all. And then you hit on continue. Click on create a wallet. Of course, by default, it's going to be on mainnet and Polygon. Leave it at Polygon, right? Just click on the Polygon, click on next. You can toggle this on or off. Okay, it's on. So you click on next, then you set a pin for 5-6 digits. So you do it, you confirm, and then you choose either the 24 words secret recovery phrase or the 12. So I'm going for 12, right? I'm going for 12. After you choose the one you want to go for, you click next. So I'm going for 12. Make sure you have copied and saved it, right? And then you hit on next. So when you hit on next, you wait for your wallet to be created. Well, our wallet is created now. So you just have to explore. Congrats, you just earned 2 karma. Just by creating this, we have earned 2 karma already. So you just click on next, next. You explore before we go to the quest to set up the account very well. So just click on next, next. So right now we're going to be click here to claim daily karma. So we click on that place, you'll be led to the karma and quest. Okay, you're going to complete it one after the other. So you do the daily claim before we continue with other quests. So these are other quests. We have verified our email. We have linked on exchange or wallet, that is the creation, and then add a widget. You can just click to add, but then these are the more important ones that we need to do. We need to connect our X. Okay, then we're going to click on it. Click on connect X, then you'll be redirected to your X. Make sure that you're logged into your X already. You just have to authorize. All right, so once you authorize, you'll be redirected back to the app, and then it will be authenticated. You can see it's checked already as a completed task. Then you click on follow to follow them on Twitter. Just in case it doesn't check, you just have to refresh the app. You just have to follow, post, and then follow them. So you just have to click on send, and then you post it, you follow them as well, right? These are some of the things you need to complete as well. We have created and then recover wallet. We have done all those. Just in case you can't find your way to the karma quest, just click on this more, and then you are going to come to this area. You go back to the karma quest and continue with the quest as well. So you need to connect your Discord, follow, and then gain membership role. So we scroll down, and then we go to later. You can finish or complete all. So just click on connect Discord, right? Just have to scroll down and then authorize. That one is completed, it's been ticked already. Then you click on join haha server. So you click on join haha server, you'll be taken back, and then you've joined already. Then you have to now obtain member role. So you are going to copy the link to their server, and of course open it, and then join and receive the member role, and you come back and check, right? So here is the link to the server. Okay, if you're on my Telegram channel, you're going to also have this, but if not, you may likely see it in the comment section if you're watching from online. So you click on there and you'll be led to your Discord straight up. Okay, and then you accept invite. Okay, then you click here, you just read through, and then you are going to click on this arrow. So we click on the arrow, you scroll down, you accept this, and then you click on complete. Click here again. Then you're going to click on verify. You click on verify again. Let to display, then you click on continue, and then click on continue again, and then you are going to impute this captcha, right, to complete the verification. So it's just to type in the green numbers, right? It's 9 5 5, yeah, and that's it. So it's completed, and then I'll just click on this arrow, right? So over here you can just type anything as a new person, because you've been permitted to participate fully here. You can just say monad, okay, haha wallet is nice. Then you just go back, and then you are going to click on new members. Okay, that's when this new members, after the verification, that new members will appear. So you have now obtained the new member role. So you go back to the app, and of course you click on check. Okay, so that's it. If you check and it didn't check, you just have to refresh the app. Just refresh the app, and you can see we are done with all this. And with that, we have accumulated this particular quantity of karma with a multiplier of 1. So you can go ahead and complete whatever task that is remaining. Let's now go back by clicking on this place. Then we'll go back. So if you want to get your referral link, you click on this refer friends, and then you click here to copy your referral link or code. All right, so that's it. And if you are on my Telegram channel, there's gonna be a promo code. I don't know how long it's going to last, but you just click on this promo code and input this code to redeem additional, I think 20 karma or so. And you are just going to input this code and click on enter code, and you're going to receive additional 20 karma boost to celebrate the impending launch of MONAD testnet. So that's just going to be all for this video. Remember, the testnet is starting on the 19th, and you need to get prepared, and you need to also join our Telegram channel for daily updates on this MONAD and some other airdrops testnets that you need to get information about. So if you have found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with others, leave your decent comment in the comment section, ask your questions, and then I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.